Hello, good morning to everyone. This is Chandrasekhar, programmer, Department of Information Technology, Division Engineering College, Varam. Today we are discussing about the Hadoop and Big Data Lab experiments. In this lab we have 12 programs. In this lab we learn Apache Hadoop, Apache Hive, Apache Pig. These are all developed by Apache Software Foundation. Apache is the world's largest open source foundation. First one, Apache Hadoop is a Java-based free software framework. MapReduce Java programs developed and run on Hadoop framework. Next one, Apache Hive. Apache Hive is a distributed data management for Hadoop. This supports SQL, structured query language, and Hive SQL to access big data. This is run on top of Hadoop. Next one, Apache Pig. Apache Pig is an open source high-level distributed system. It provides simple language for queries and data manipulation. So, in this lab we are discussing about the Apache Hadoop, Apache Hive, and Apache Pig. The Hadoop and Big Data Lab classified into 3 parts. In part 1, we will learn Hadoop installation and write Hadoop MapReduce Java programs and run on Hadoop framework. In second part, we learn Pig installation and execute the scripts, operators like group, join, project, and filter your data using Pig tool. In third section, we learn Hive installation and create a database statements like create a table, alter a table, drop database, drop table, views, functions, indexes using Hive tool. Here Hadoop is a framework. Pig and Hive are tools top of Hadoop. Let's come to the experiments. Week 1 and 2, we can do installation of Hadoop in 3 operating modes. Hadoop installation in 3 operating modes. First one standalone mode, second one pseudo distributed mode, third one fully distributed mode. These are 3 operating modes different. Standalone mode, pseudo distributed mode, and fully distributed mode. First one standalone mode means default installation. This is not integrated to another system. Computer programs run in offline also. Don't need network requirements. Next, pseudo distributed mode. This is also single node cluster, but here name node and data node will reside in same machine. But here configuration files are required. It is used on HDFS. HDFS means Hadoop Distributed File System. Standalone mode and pseudo distributed modes are same, but standalone mode created files on local system, but pseudo distributed mode created files on HDFS mode. Okay. Next, third one, fully distributed mode. Fully distributed modes. This is master node, slave node architecture. This fully distributed mode installation not in single machine. Master node installation one system, slave node installation in another system. Like this is server client based architecture. Pseudo distributed mode and fully distributed mode set up on web based tools. Standalone mode in local system, pseudo distributed mode and fully distributed mode in web based tool using Hadoop setup used in web based. Next, week 3. In this week, we can do creative file management in Hadoop framework. like create a file, create a directory, retrieve files, move the file one directory to another directory, copy the file one location to another location, and deleting a file in Hadoop file system, etc. These are all in next week 4. Fourth week to week 10, create and run Hadoop MapReduce Java programs. 4th to 10th week, all MapReduce programs. Okay. In this week 4, we will demonstrate the word count example in Hadoop framework. Word count is the basic example to understand the Hadoop MapReduce program. Next, week 5. Week 5 also MapReduce Java program for weather data. Collect the input data from National Climate Data Center records. We will collect the weather data report from different locations. Store the data in text file and analysis with MapReduce Java program. This is the week 5. Next, week 6. This is also MapReduce Java program. Shortest path between two people. Shortest path algorithm is a common problem in graph theory, where the goal is find and shortest route between two nodes. Okay. Next, week 7. Week 7 also one of the MapReduce Java program. This implement friends to friends algorithm in MapReduce Java program. Here two MapReduce jobs are required to calculate the friends to friends. The first job calculate the common friends for each user, and the second job connection to your friends. PageRank, WebGraph, and next week 8. Here week 8 implement an iterative PageRank graph algorithm in MapReduce Java program. Here we can use calculate the PageRank, WebGraph, and PageRank formulas. Next, week 9. Create a Bloom filter in MapReduce Java program. Bloom filter is a first trained and sorted in HDFS. This is the first trained and sorted in HDFS. This is also MapReduce Java program. Next, week 10. Week 10. Perform an efficient semi-join in MapReduce. Joins are very important in RDBMS. Here, inner join, outer join, left outer join, full outer join, anti-join are used here. In this week, here RDBMS related join programs. Okay. Next, week 11. Week 4 to week 10 programs are all MapReduce Java programs. Next, week 11. In this week, installation and run pig in Hadoop environment. Here we can do pig scripts like sort, group, join, product, and filter your data. Pig Latin is SQL-like language. Using Pig Latin, programmers can perform MapReduce tasks easily without having to type complex code in Java. Okay, MapReduce Java programs are very lengthy in MapReduce Java programs. Here, Pig Latin programs can perform MapReduce tasks are easily without having to type complex code in Java. Okay. Next, week 12. In this week, we can do install and run Hive. Using of Hive, create table, alter table, drop databases, views, functions, and indexes. Hive is data warehouse infrastructure tool. This is the Pig and Hive tool in Hadoop. Okay. This Hive is process structured data in Hadoop. Initially, Hive is developed by Facebook Later, the Apache Software Foundation took it up and developed. Okay, these 12 experiments are Hadoop and Big Data Lab experiments. Thank you.